My name is Dustin Gorst. I'm a professional chuckwagon driver with the World Professional Chuckwagon Association. My grandpa drove and then my dad drove as well, and you know, I was introduced to it, well really that's all I really knew, and I never thought I was missing out on anything as a kid, and that's how I'm raising my kids, so you know, that's just a family tradition. This is my oldest son, Clinch. He's gonna be an outrider. Straighten him up.
Oh, okay.
Okay, turn him.
Where this generated was people working out in the fields, and what they do is they'd pack everything up and race to the bar. The last camp to get to the bar had to buy drinks. So this is where it all actually originated from. I'm a competitive guy, like dealing with the people, dealing with the horses, and then obviously getting the lines in your hand and being competitive against other guys is a pretty fun part. I was lucky enough last year I won the Calgary Stampede, so you know, it was the first year our family's ever won that one, so it was a pretty special moment for all of us.
Here comes the G-Man, headed to the wire with his wheels on fire, Gorst.
They love to race, they love to go, and you know, it's a unique bond between us and the horses. They'll drag you out there and they'll go stand by the wagon. Like, that's how bad they want to go, and them so powerful and the G-force they have behind them, you know, it's pretty cool when you have 4 little lines, you're connected to 4 horses and you can go as fast as we do.
Come on, boys!
I got outrode when I was 14 years old here, driving when I was 15, and that didn't miss many years. Last year we had 60 thoroughbreds in a row with us, 3 liners, 3 one-tons, 3 campers, wagons, and the grandchildren down the road with us, both boys, and my daughter comes some shows, so a great family deal, and it's a good life.
It takes a family to go down the road, and the Gorst family is just one great example, right, from it's generation after generation, right? It's going to be a lot of respect for the Gorst family for sure today. It's a big day for them, and it's actually a big day for the whole community for sure.
We're aging out right now, and this is my last race on the racetrack ever, and raced a lot of races in Meadow Lake here. Time to let the boys take the reins and continue to name on. It'll be tough, but it'll follow the boys. Keep them going. Sometimes they listen. They said I got to start cleaning the barn first and move up the ranks as I taught them, so.
For your 8th and final heat, the Gorst heat at Gary Gorst Retirement Run.
It's a mandatory retirement for the Calgary Stampede to end your career at 65. So with all this canceling, he didn't get to, you know, give his farewell, and DJ had put this together so that Dad could race against us boys in the last heat.
Let's enjoy this one with his boys, Dustin and Logan Gorst.
Think how many races he's been in his career since, you know, the 70s, and you know, it's a long time, and we get to end it all together, and it'll be a pretty special day.
There's the horn, and they're off, and look at Gary fly off this number 1 barrel. Gary Gorst is leading the way at Meadow Lake. Bring him home. Here he comes. Gary Gorst, his last run.
Always good. That was my goal, to beat them 2 boys once, and we did it.
If you've never seen chuckwagon racing, you come and watch it. It's a very exciting sport, and once you start watching and start to catch on, it's pretty addictive.
Thank you.